welcome back to Business Studies class. In last class we have seen the two different types of organizational structure, that is functional organizational structure and divisional organizational structure. Remember that as per syllabus we are seeing only two, apart from that we have three more. Okay. Even in last class we have seen the meaning of functional organizational structure, or it can be functional structure, and divisional organizational structure, or it can be divisional structure. There we have learned that you can see the chart here. Functional organizational structure is a structure of an organization where the entire organization will be divided on the basis of the functions they perform. Okay, so in an organization different types of functions will be carried on, right? In order to produce a product and to sell the product and to make a profit, different types of functions has to be done. It is not only the production department which is necessary to produce and the sell. Many other departments will be there in an organization. Example you can see here, like human resource department will be there to handle the manpower of an organization. Marketing department will be there in order to market the product into market, that is into the public people. And research and development department will be there in order to come out with the new products, innovative products, creative products. This particular R&D department will be there. Apart from that we will have many more departments, and one more like purchasing department, that is in order to purchase raw materials, purchase equipments, purchase machineries, we need a particular department in an organization. All these departments will work together in order to produce a product and to sell a product. Even production department you can add here. Okay, stores department we can add, finance department we can add. So what I want to say is, if you have a functional structure of an organization, your entire organization will be divided on the basis of function. This is what we have seen. Okay, managing director will be there, and that is MD, top level, and then comes your middle level as general manager of human resource, general manager of marketing, general manager of research and development, general manager of purchasing, general manager of production, general manager of purchase, stores, like this it continues. Okay, so in this again there will be divisions, like human resource. For example, you are coming out with 3 or 4 products, so human resource of particular product. As in last class we have discussed about Tata company, right? A Tata company comes out with different types of products. So product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4. If we take human resource, that there will be again divisions, like human resource concerning to product 1 will be different, human resource concerning to product 2 will be different. It will be in this particular form. This is what the picture we have seen about the functional organization structure. In today's class we are going to learn the features, merits and demerits of that particular functional organization structure. Here we have features, like it is one of the simplest and most prevalent form. So many organizations will adopt this form of organization because it is simple. Entire organization can be grouped according to the functions they perform. Hence we say it is one of the simplest and oldest form of organization. Then second, it is grouping of jobs of similar nature, that we have understood. All purchase activities will be in one. For example, a particular industry comes out with different types of products, but purchase activity of all the departments will be at one end. If you enter into a purchase department, there you can see purchase of different products. Okay, that is purchase, raw material purchase, that is machinery, equipment purchase of that particular department. For example, I told you like Tata company comes out with some of the assembling of like motors they'll come out with, some of the vehicles they have come out with. Okay, so in that particular case, when you enter into a purchase department, you will be finding a division which is concerned with this motors. Purchase department for the motors, purchase department for the gold, that is Tanish, purchase department for the food items. Like this, when you enter into a particular department, there you will find different divisions concerned to a particular product of that particular company. So it is simple. In your organization, you are grouping your jobs according to the functions they perform. If they perform finance function, make them a part of finance department. If they are concerning of purchase function, make them a part of purchase department. It is like that. Then third point says that each department may be further divided into divisions. That's what I said. In purchase department, you will be having again divisions. Purchase regarding to product 1, purchase of product 2, purchase of product 3. Like this it will be. So that is what each department can be further divided accordingly if you are coming out with different types of product. If you are coming out with a single type of product, your company is coming out with only one type of product, you don't have different lines of product. For example, Tata company comes out with only motors, only vehicles. Okay, they will be having only one department and there may not be any divisions at all. This happens only when a single company comes out with different types of products and they want to go with functional structure. Then last one is functional head will be responsible for that particular department. So functional general your purchase general manager will be responsible for purchase of everything of an organization. It might be regarding any number of products. For example, a company comes out with 10 types of products. A single company comes out with 10 types of products, but purchase of all those 10 the required things for all those 10 type of products will be under a single head. He is called purchase general manager. Under him product 1, product 2, product 3, like this all the 10 products, what all inputs you need, what all equipments you need, what all machinery you need to produce that product, everything will be done by a purchase general manager. He will be the ultimate authority. Only on him you will be having managing director, that is top level. It is like this. Now when we see the merits and demerits, the entire picture will be clear to you. So here you have merits and demerits of your functional organizational structure. First we'll go with the merits. It leads to specialization. I hope you remember when I say specialization, we have seen that as a part of an extension principle of your division of labor, okay, division of work proposed by your Henry Fayol. Okay, the father of general management. So he has proposed a principle called division of work, which says divide the work and allot that work to a particular person on a repeated basis. When he does that on a continuous basis, repeatedly, generally he becomes specialist in that. Hence we say division of work leads to specialization. So here your functional organizational structure, all the employees who are in that particular department, they will be specialized in purchasing activity. See, different activities will be going on in a particular department called purchase department. Like some people will be busy in purchasing raw materials, some people will be busy in purchasing equipment, some people will be busy in purchasing machineries. Is it clear? So different types of purchase activities will be going on. In order to have, go with the purchase, first you have to find out the suppliers. You have to ask them to give you their quotations. You have to give them inquiries. Then go with the comparative statements. Then go with the negotiation. Then finalize with whom you are going to purchase them. So all these things will be done in a purchase department. If you consider finance department, they have to coordinate with the costing department. They have to see what finance is available in organization. They have to see from what are the different sources, from where I can raise the finance, what are the different cost of the finance from the different sources. All these things they have to study, and then they can go with acquiring finance and allotting that finance to the different departments of an organization. What I want to say is, in a particular department, when you divide your organization on the basis of functions they perform, a particular purchase department, there all the employees who are engaged in purchase department will become specialists in purchasing the things for organization, because they are continually doing the same work. They are in a single department and their work is purchase. Are you clear? They are continuously in finance department. Their work is to acquire the finance and allot the finance. Is it clear? So we say functional organizational structure. If you adopt functional organizational structure for your organization, for your business, your employees will become specialists. Okay, so when they are specialists, generally their efficiency level increases, even individually also. Individually their efficiency increases. It is not only beneficial for an organization. If they are in the organization, they will be promoted to the higher positions. If they quit the organization also, somewhere organization if they join also, there they will be paid more salary, good position they can occupy because of this specialization. They will become expert in that. Is it clear? Hence we say this particular type of form of organization leads to specialization. Then comes coordination. Coordination is absolutely good in functional organization structure. Why? Because purchase of all the things will be under a single head. For example, I am general manager of purchase. Okay, so what all the things concerned about the purchase, everything will be in my hand. So my employees, for example, I have 10 employees under me, 10 subordinates who are working under purchase department. So I can find good coordination with them because all will be connected only with the purchase activity. They are not connected with other activities. When we discuss about divisional this function, you will understand in a better way, because coordination between different departments becomes tough, to be frank. But when all the people concerned to particular function, they are in the same department, generally it will be very helpful for them. You just okay, I'll try to explain. You please concentrate on this. In divisional organization structure, what happens? We are going to divide the organization on the basis of what? Product produced. Okay. So in individual product, you will be having purchase department. For example, you have 5 products. In functional structure, what happens? One purchase department, 5 divisions you have. You will be having product 1 division, product 2 division, product 3, 4, 5 division under single purchase. So purchase of all the divisions will be under one purchase general manager. This is under your functional structure. But what happens in divisional structure? In divisional structure, you are going to divide organization on the basis of product produced. Product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4 you will be having. In product 1 you will be having purchase, finance, marketing. In product 2 again purchase, marketing, finance. Now see, product 1 purchase, product 2 purchase, they are under different heads. Are you getting me? They are doing the same activity, purchase activity they are doing, but they are doing it for different products. Clear? So their general managers are different now. So product 1 general manager becomes A, product B's purchase general manager becomes B. So finding coordination between 2 departments but of same activity becomes difficult in divisional organizational structure, but it becomes easy in case of your functional organizational structure, because purchase related activities of different products what they produce in an organization will be under single head. Hence coordination is possible. You go with the chart. When I am explaining this, you please keep your chart in front of you so that you can compare and see. Okay. Then comes, sorry, spelling it is written in a wrong way. It is economical. Sorry. It is economical. You please correct it. It is economical. In functional organizational structure, you don't have duplication of work. As I just given you an example, in divisional structure what happens? Same purchase department will be there under 5 people, under 5 heads. In product 1 there will be purchase department, in product 2 there will be purchase department, in product 3 there will be purchase department, so on for 4 and 5 products. Is that clear? So the same activity is duplicated here. Same purchase activity now has to be done by 5 people. One person is for product 1, one person is for product 2. Like this, what happens? The same function is done by the 5 people under 5 heads, under 5 general managers. Hence what we say, duplication of work. For example, in functional organizational structure what happens? All the purchase of all the different products will be under single head. So the same person can be used for both. Are you clear? Say for example, I am in a purchase department under your functional organization structure. So a single person can carry out purchase of raw materials of all the 5 products. Sorry. So I am an executive of purchase. Okay, I will be purchasing raw material for product 1. I will be purchasing raw material for product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5. Single person can handle raw material of all the 5 products. But in divisional structure what happens? You have different persons because of different departments. Hence we say it is not economical. More cost will be involved. The same type of work will be done by many people, hence it is costly. But under your functional structure, that will be done by single head, under single head by a single department, hence we say it is economical, money saving. Okay, cost will be less. Next, it increases, effective training. See, if at all if you want to give training to your employees, it becomes easy if you find to give training to a particular department. For example, I want to give purchase training. I'm expert in that. I know what are the tips in purchasing the activities. So I want to give training to the purchase department. So I can go to only one department. I'll enter into the purchase department and all who are present there, I'll give them training. But if in division structure, what happens? I have to go to product 1, purchase department, there I have to give training, and I have to collect the people from product 2 department, and there will be a purchase department from the employees, for them also have to give. So you will be calling people from the different departments in case of if you want to give them training. It becomes a bit difficult, but giving training to the particular department about a particular aspect only. See, if I enter into a purchase department, I will be finding everyone who are related with purchase. So I can talk them very easily. Giving training to them becomes easy. If I go to division structure, on the basis of product, you are going to divide the organization. So I'll get into product 1 department. There I'll find people concerned to marketing, people concerned to purchase, people concerning to store, finance. Everyone will be there. Are you clear? So it becomes difficult to give training to them because different aspects, different activities are involved there. But in functional structure, only you are just dividing the organization on the basis of function. It becomes easy for the trainers to give them training on a particular aspects. And last we say, under your functional organizational structure, managerial efficiency increases. Managerial efficiency in the sense, we know the managerial functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So the efficiency of a manager in doing all these things increases if you have functional organization structure in your organization, because you will be having a single head who can have good control over all the people in a particular department. Okay, so you can plan, you can organize everything about a particular thing in a good manner, hence it increases the efficiency of manager. Apart from merits, we have demerits for this too. The demerits of your functional structure are like this, that is hindrance to organizational objectives, ineffective coordination, conflicts and inflexibility. So the first and foremost point says that if you have functional organizational structure, if you adopt functional organization structure to your business, it becomes difficult to achieve organizational objectives. Then what it is, it achieves personal objectives. Are you getting me? So if you have functional organization structure, it becomes an hindrance to an organization, to the department to achieve the organizational objective, but it can achieve its personal objective. What it is? See, in functional organizational structure, how you are going to divide an organization on the basis of function. So now you have separate purchase function, marketing function and production function. So production department people will be concerned only about their production. They will be very much interested in coming out with least cost product. They don't mind of anything else. Clear? So purchase department will be fully concentrating on the purchase activity and they don't want to think about any other thing. But see, try to understand, organizational success depends upon not only a single department efficiency, it depends upon the efficiency of entire functions of an organization. If your product has to be successful in the market and if you want to gain the profits, all the activities, all the functions in your organization has to be done in an efficient manner. Purchase should be right. Efficient purchase department should be there, efficient marketing department should be there, efficient production department should be there. Like this, all the departments should be efficient. Only then the organizational objective, that is reaching maximum profit or achieving good market stand, will be achieved. But what happens with your functional organizational structure is the concerned head, that is the general manager of that particular department, will be concentrating only on his department. He'll never be bothered about other things. Okay, in that way they will be concentrating over the particular department objectives, not the organizational objectives. There it proves to be a demerit. Then comes ineffective coordination. See, in the merit we have seen as coordination is good, but in demerits we have inefficient coordination. See, why we say inefficient, why it is coordination is possible, already I have explained. You are in the same department, all the people in your department are concerned about only one activity, so there will be good coordination. You will be depending upon one another and there will be good harmony between you. But we say as a demerit that is ineffective coordination, because coordination between the departments becomes difficult in your functional organization structure. That is, production department will never coordinate or toughly coordinates with the finance department. But they are interrelated, but they are unable to coordinate because the particular general manager is concerned only about his particular department, not about other department, though they are the part of that organization. In that way, coordination between the departments becomes difficult in your functional structure. Then we say even when you don't have coordination, generally there is a chance of conflicts. For example, purchase department says that if finance department says that we don't have finance, so we cannot release finance. If purchase department says that finance department has not released finance, hence we cannot purchase. If you don't purchase that particular product, your production department will be stuck. Okay, so because of purchase department, your production activity has stuck, but it is a fault of whom? The finance department. They could not arrange the funds, so they could not give that funds to the purchase department. Hence, purchase department has not purchased the required thing. Hence, the production department could not carry on the production. Are you getting the link between the departments? So, as you don't have coordination, generally conflicts arises between the departments, not within the department, but between the departments. And because of all these things, inflexibility will be there. That is, you cannot so easily change anything in an organization because of these conflicts and ineffective coordination. And it's not so easy to come out with the changes in your functional structure, because if you want to change one thing in your product, you have to take the consent of all the departments. Clear? Say product 1. You are coming out with the 5 products. So if for 5 products, what happens under one particular purchase, all the 5 products purchase will be 1 point, all the products marketing will be at 1 point. So if you want to change product 1, something you want to change in product 1, you have to take the consent of purchase manager, general manager, marketing general manager, everyone you have to take. But in divisional structure, what happens? There will be a single manager. So there will be a single general manager who will be having all the divisions under a particular product. Is that clear? So because of such things, we say it is inflexibility present in your functional organizational structure. So go with the explanation given in the notes, and always when you try to learn in the initial stage, again and again try to see the chart. If you see the chart again and again, it will be clear to you, and what we explain you will be catching very fastly. Okay, if you don't understand, go through the video once again with the notes, and anyhow I'll be available phone. If you are in need, please call me and take a right way in understanding the things, because it's very important thing. If you don't understand the chart initially, what we are discussing like merits, demerits, features, it's not so easily, it will not enter into your mind. So try to see the chart and try to draw the chart. When you draw more than twice or thrice, it will be fixed in your minds. Try to practice that. Okay, hope you do. So till we meet in our next class, take care. Bye bye.